let's say grandma has low back pain and sciatica, shooting pain down her leg or whatever. Any person that doesn't know anything about chiropractic, what are they going to do? Most likely, they're probably going to get online and they're going to look it up. They're going to look up chiropractic. Is chiropractic safe? Or they're going to look up some YouTube videos. What does a chiropractic treatment look like? What's going to pop up? These videos with 2 million views, or these channels with hundreds of thousands of subs that get hundreds of thousands of views on all their videos, and they're not what our profession is about. And what's that do to that potential patient? One, it may scare that potential patient away and be like, I am never going to a chiropractor.